So, we are on the last part of the 30 problem sets na meron tayo dito. So, tapusin na natin ito ngayon. Okay? So, for number 28, a steel shaft transmits 60 HP at 1,500 RPM. If the allowable steel stress is 550 PSI, find the shaft diameter. Uy, basic again. Diba? Paulit-ulit na proseso of solving it. So, for number 27, so power is equal to T N over factor. Okay? Tapos, binigyan ka ng stress dyan na SS, solid shaft yan, I assume. SS 16T over pi d cube. Ang hinahanap na naman dito, syempre, diameter na naman. Okay? So, in terms of torque tayo dun sa power, para ma-substitute natin yung torque na yon dun sa SS. Okay? So, let's solve for diameter. So, d cube is equal to 16T over pi SS. Now, I want to solve it in terms of this one. So, 16 multiplied to power times the factor divided by n over pi and then the stress. Now, we can solve for diameter. So, diameter cube is equal to, so 16, the power is 60 HP. 60 HP. Then you multiply it with the factor na 63025 pound inch RPM. Oh, sorry. Per HP. And then you multiply it with that. And then yung N natin, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, 200 AI, 1,500. 1,500 RPM. And then, pi. And then yung SS natin, if hindi ako nagkakamali, 500 plus, 550 PSI. So, 550 pound per inch squared. So, canceling all same units will arrive with what? So, HP, RPM, yung pound. So, 2 inch, inch squared, tapos sa inch, multiply mo kasi naka-reciprocal siya, nasa denominator. So, maging inch cube. So, kunin mo yung cube root of the following para makuha natin yung cube ng D. So, D is input sa calculator para mabilis na proseso. So, this will become, okay, shift, okay. So, 16 times 60 times 60, 0, and 25. Okay, sa baba. So, 1,500 pi times 550. So, the answer is 2.86. 2.86 inch. Okay? So, basic kaya yung problem na yan? Yes, very basic kasi nasa-solve natin in a matter of minutes. Okay? 2.86 inch. Okay, 2.86 inch. So, next problem. What is the speed of a 64 mm shaft that transmits 80 kilowatts if the stress is not to exceed 30 MPa? Kaya yung mga types of problem, no, na paulit-ulit lang. Binibigay sa'yo, ikot-ikutin ka lang niya. So, number 28. You are given stress, tama? Stress is how much? 30 MPa. So, 16T over pi d cube. Tapos, power is equal to Tn over factor. Ang hinahanap dito is N. So, N is equal to power times the factor divided by the torque. Okay? Eh, yung torque natin pwedeng in terms of SS, di ba? So, this will become power times the factor, divide by the torque. The torque should be SS pi d cube. Since nasa denominator yung 16, iakyat ko na dito sa taas. So we can now solve for n. So n will be equal to the power that is given there is 80 kilowatts. So 80 kilowatts. The factor is 9549123 Newton millimeter RPM every kilowatts. Okay? And then multiply it with 16. Divide both sides. Divide it all over 64 mm. 64 mm cube times pi. And then multiply mo ng stress na not to exceed 30 MPa, Newton per millimeter squared. Now, the proper way to solve it is to cancel all the same units. Kilowatt, kilowatt, Newton, Newton, yung millimeter cube, magiging millimeter na lang yan and millimeter. So, ang matitira dyan ay RPM. So, how fast was it spinning? So, 80 times 9549123 times 16 divide by 64 raised to the third power times 30 pi. So the answer is 494.72 RPM. Okay? So, okay. For number 30, a shaft has an ultimate stress of 380 MPa and has a design factor of 4. The torque developed by the shaft is 4 kilonewton meter and the outside diameter is 90 mm. Compute the inside diameter of the shaft. Ako, nagbigay ng safety factor. Ganito yan. If you are given a safety factor ng shaft, tapos meron kang ultimate stress, ibig sabihin dyan, yung design stress mo is 4 na beses nung ultimate. Okay? Or this is SUS over factor of safety. Okay? That is the design stress. So, yung design stress mo dito ngayon at number 30, tama ko, number 30 na ba yan? 29. Walang 27, no? Hindi pala, 27. Puguhin ko na lang, ha? So, proceed tayo number, ano ba yan? 30, tama. So, 28. 27, 28, oh. Ito dapat to 29. 29. Tapos ito ay 28. Nagkamali lang ako numbering. Okay, 28. So, punta tayo number 30. So, our stress will be SUS over factor of safety equal to, this is a hollow shaft. So, 16 T DO over pi DO to the fourth minus DI to the fourth. So, ang hinahanap natin is inside diameter of the shaft. Okay. So, 90 outside per kilonewton meter. Kailangan Newton millimeter. Eh, meron pa ba tayong change yan? Wala na. So, solve na natin using this. So, cross-multiply natin. So, DO to the fourth minus DI to the fourth is equal to yung, so 16 T DO multiply to the factor of safety divide by SUS, pi. I want to solve for DI. So DI raised to the fourth power is equal to DO to the fourth minus 16 T DO multiplied to the factor of safety over SUS pi. Okay. Salpak ko na agad yung mga value. Pwede naman, di ba? So, 90 mm raised to the fourth power minus 16 times, ano ba yung torque na binigay sa'yo? 4 kilonewton meter. So, 4 times 1,000 squared, okay, Newton millimeter. Then, multiply to DO na 90 mm. Then, the factor of safety is 4. And then, SUS is 380 Newton per millimeter squared. And then, multiply to the value of pi. So, kunin na natin yung fourth root para sa value niya. So, the fourth root. Okay. So, solving. Oh, sorry. Okay. Shift. Okay. So, fourth root tayo. So, 90 raised to the fourth power minus 16 times 4 times 1,000 squared, okay, times 90 times 4. Divide by 380 and then pi. Okay, yung value ng pi dyan. The answer is DI. Check nga natin kung tama yung value niya. So, 82.5. So, our answer is 82.49. Basic yan. 82.49 mm. So, napaka-basic ng mga tanong. Okay, number 30. Dali, di ba? So, number 31, find the diameter of steel shaft which will be used to operate 120 kilowatt motor rotating at 6 RPS with a torsional stress of 100 MPa. Paulit-ulit na proseso. Okay. Anong hinahanap? The diameter. Okay, binigyan ka ng power. Okay, binigyan ka ng N. And then binigyan ka ng stress. So, diameter na lang hanapin mo. So, that is for number 31. For number 31, so that is power equal to torque factor, Tn over factor. Tapos yung stress mo is equal to 16 T over pi d cube. Ang hinahanap natin is d. So, d cube equal to 16 times power tapos factor divide by n. Okay, pinasok ko na agad yung torque dito. Tapos pi ss. So, pwede ko na makuha si d. d cube equal to. So, 16 times what power is given there? 120 and 6 RPS. 120 kilowatts times 9549123 Newton millimeter RPM every kilowatt. Tapos, yung N natin is 6 RPS. So, 6 rev per second times 60 seconds per 1 minute. Yan na yun. Tapos, yung SS natin is 100 Newton per millimeter squared and then pi. Kunin natin yung cube root ng both para makuha natin yung D. So, D will be equal to, pasok sa calculator, okay, 16 times 120 times 9549123, okay, Tapos, 6 times 60 times 100 pi. So, the answer is 54.53 millimeter. That is for second to the last problem. And for the last problem at last, the shaft is used to transmit 230 kilowatts, 380 RPM by means of 210 diameter sprocket. Determine the force tangent to the sprocket. Force tangent. Okay? Madali ba o mahirap? Madali lang yan. So, ano ba ang formula natin? Okay? Sa number 32. 32. Okay? Diba, drinawin ko kanina yan. So, power is equal to torque N over factor. Okay? Where your torque is simply equal to force times diameter ng sprocket divide by 2 times N divide by F. Ang hinahanap natin is, or baguhin ko yung F dito. Factor to. Factor. Ang hinahanap natin is F. Okay? So, F will be equal to, nandito sa baba, 2P times factor. Sir, nasaan yung 2? Ito, nasa baba. Divide by dN. So, force tangent pa. Twice nung power. What is the power? 230, 380. 230 kilowatts times 9549123 Newton, millimeter, RPM, per kilowatt. Divide by diameter na 210 millimeter. Okay? And then the speed is 380 RPM. So, cancel all same units para mag-arrive tayo dun sa tamang sagot. So, kilowatt, RPM, millimeter, millimeter. So, Newton na lang. So, the answer is, I think that is in, kilonewton. So, 2 times 230 times 9549123 divide by 210 times 380 times 1,000 para maging kilonewton. So, that is 55.04 kilonewton. And I think, tama naman yung magiging sagot natin dito. Okay. So that wraps up our discussion for shafting. You have 32 problems and you can still practice on the problem sets that I have given you. Okay?